Good evening, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. So yeah, tomorrow when we check on our economic calendar, we see that we don't really have much. You can see that. So which means we are just going to skip Monday straight to Tuesday and other days. And you know what I like is we're going to have PPI. Last Friday, we had NFP, which it was greater or better than expected. So which means the dollar is going to, it's actually stronger. You will see that on the chart. So Tuesday, this is going to actually give us an idea if the inflation is going to go higher or not. PPI is going to help us to understand that. On the estimate, it shows us that it's going to be the same as previous. So let's go on Wednesday. We have CPI. It seems like the numbers here, they will be cooling off a little bit, except year over year. But 0.3 and on the other one 0.2. I think that will be much better. If the numbers are going to go down there, then we will see a cool off on the dollar side. And then Thursday, we're going to have retail sales. So this week is going to be very important. Retail sales, obviously, it shows us that the numbers will be going a little bit higher here on core retail sales. But on retail sales month over month, it seems to be a smaller number. So yeah, it's going to be a quite busy week actually. Way much busy. But that is actually what we actually want, right? So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. For those who still want our system, just let me know. Scan the QR code, talk to me, and you will get the system. The system is still actually 150. So you get the signals anytime, and the system doesn't really repaint or maybe expire. So easy as that. So let me know if you want to get the system. So now let's move straight to our weekly analysis. I will make this video a little bit quicker. So DXY, dollar index, this measures the strength of the dollar against other pairs. We can see that the market is still flying. After we broke out of this level of resistance, the market is starting to show us that we are on a long bullish move. So after that, yesterday on Friday, I think the market was around this level. The move, it was not really that aggressive, but we saw the market breaking out of that resistant area. So which means indeed the dollar, it's getting stronger against other pair. But I think it's obvious because NFP, it was on a plus or maybe better than estimate. That makes the currency or US dollar to be quite strong. So you will see that on other things like Gbpusd. On Gbpusd, you can see that this one, it was already obvious, but you can see that the market is coming from this nice uptrend structure. So since the market broke out of that support, it shows us that the market, it is still going to continue going even lower. If you check there, I think it's quite obvious we are already on this downtrend structure, even though we are still at the early stages. But at the end of the day, I think the market will be trying to show us that it's going to go even lower. So now let's push to the next one, which is gold. So on gold, guys, if maybe you check fundamentals, you might be confused sometimes, but I think it's obvious. When there are tensions or geopolitics in the Middle East, not actually in the Middle East. Let's just say when there is tensions or geopolitics, gold tends to go up. Gold tends to go up against the dollar. So, and we see that. So it seems like gold did not really care much about NFP, but we'll see what we'll have this week. In few days, Trump is going to be the president. So we'll see what is going to be the decision he's going to take on Russia, Ukraine, Middle East, and stuff like that. But the best thing that he can do, or that he is to say, if he can manage to stop or resolve those wars, that will be good for the market and for the world. And I think once he can have that, or he can stop them, obviously gold is going to cool off, because at the moment it's used as a safe haven. So which means people who are in those countries, they are just aggressively buying gold because they don't really want to lose their assets. So obviously that's why we see gold going higher. But where it's going, we can easily see that we have a resistance on top here. Maybe the market will reach this level before going down, or maybe the market can even break out of that. But at the moment, we know very well that it's going to be shaky, especially next week. Once Trump is going to be a president. I think we left with 8 days or something like that. Yeah, I think we left with 8 days. So once he's a president, we will see what will happen. But I think the market will end up going crazy. The overall structure of gold, it's actually an uptrend, right? So, but things might change anytime. Things might change aggressively or anytime, right? So, but at the moment, let's push to the next one, which is US30. US30 is still showing us that, you know what, since we broke out of that uptrend structure, the market was going up, very nice. We broke out here, the market was consolidating. Here we just saw a nice breakout on that support area. So which means the market is now willing to do what? To go even lower after we broke out of that. So you can see that the market seems to be trying to reverse here or to continue with this downtrend structure. Since this week, this coming week, we have retail sales, we have CPI. We will see if things are still like that. But if inflation is going a little bit lower, we will see the market reversing. It might still be under this downtrend, but those reversals might happen. But at the moment, we can say yes, we are on this downtrend. So we just need to go safer here. Don't just buy aggressively, as the market seems to be trying to sell off. So now we are on Nasdaq. What's really happening on Nasdaq? Quite similar. There we are in a buy pending order. I was expecting the market to go a little bit up, but it showed us that, you know what, the market was willing to go even lower. So this is what we have as an uptrend. You can see that. So here we can easily see that the market actually broke out, but it seems to be reversing again. But the overall structure, it was a very nice uptrend structure, and I was expecting to see the market respecting that level. But guess what? The market just broke out, and yeah, it seems like the market will be trying to go even higher from tomorrow, or let's say early in the morning. But at the moment, we just need to relax a little bit because we already saw a breakout on US30. So maybe the market might actually continue to go even lower. That is possible also. There is that possibility. But the way we see things, it seems like most companies are performing very well. And that means Nasdaq might as well perform very good. So which means we might see the market continue with this uptrend. And if that happens, that will be good for us because we are looking for those buys. I'm expecting to see those buy positions, especially in the long run. But anyways, I think this video is not really that long and I want it to be as short as possible. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. For those who want the system or indicator, scan that QR code. And for those who want lifetime signals, it's $60. So you can WhatsApp me, just let me know. So thank you very much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.